Hello everyone, myself Shilpa, going to teach English grammar for grade 2 today. Well, let us learn some new topic today, that is the sentence. We are going to learn about the sentence today. Okay, what is a sentence? How to frame a sentence? Everything we have to learn. We are going to learn today. So sentence is very important while speaking, while writing, while doing the conversation, right? So how to frame a proper sentence is very important. So today I am going to teach how to about the sentences. Okay, before going for the sentences, we have to know about the words. What are the words? Yes, children, you have learned in the previous classes that is about the words. Words are nothing but a group of letters which conveys some meaning is called a word. What is a word? A group of letters which conveys some meaning is called a word. Once again, shall we repeat? Yes. A group of letters. What do you mean by letters? Have you learned the letters? Yes. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, right. That is 26 letters. Okay. How many letters are there? 26 letters are there in English alphabet. So here we have to frame the word means they should be a letters are important. So a group of letters are necessary to make a word. So a group of letters which conveys some meaning. There should be a meaning in the word. Okay? If the letters or the meaningful combination of the letters, we can say, if frame a word. Okay, to make a word, we need a meaningful combination of letters. For example, I'll give you lotus. Here you can see the different letters in this to make a word. This makes one word. Lotus makes one word. Lotus is a flower. You all know that lotus is a flower, right? So, a group of letters. We have made one group of letter here to make a word. Okay? To form a word, we need a group of letters. Okay? So, that is the lotus. If I jumble these letters like this, T-U-S-L-U. If I jumble these letters, there is any meaning in this? There is any sense in this word? No. That means it is not a word. That means this is not a word. So, word is a meaningful combination of the letters. There should be a meaningful for that word. Okay, one more example I will give. You can write any examples you can give, like a tree. T-R-E-E-T. T-R-E-E-T. Got it? This is also a word. You can say that this is a word. Okay, one more example you can give. Man. M-A-N. Man. Man is one word. Right? Like that you can give so many examples. Table. T-A-B-L-E, table. It is a word. Yes. Your pencils. What you are writing? In what you are writing? Pencil. Pencils is also one word. Okay. Give 5 more examples for the word. We'll see. Yes. What are the examples you are going to give? Yes. Any word you can give. School, house, mother, father, shop, is no book, bag. These are all words. Now, what are words? You came to know now. A group of letters which conveys some meaning is called a word. So, to frame a word, we need the letters. What we need? We need the letters. Okay. Now, I think you have better understood what is a word now. Now, we'll move on to the sentence. Okay. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Sentence, a group of words. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a word. Okay? We need a group of words here to form a sentence, to make a sentence. Okay? For example, I'll give you. I am a good boy. I am a good boy. Here you can see a group of words. I am is one word. Good is a word. Boy is a word. Okay. So here the group of words, a group of words which make a complete sense. There should be a meaning in it. Okay. That type of words are called the sentences. Okay, if I say like this, I'll give you like this. Good boy am I a. Read now what I have written, read. Good boy am I a. Do you feel it is a sentence? No, it is not a proper sentence. It is not a meaningful sentence, we can say. There is no sense in this sentence. Right? So the proper sentence will come like this. I am a good boy. The meaningful sentences. I am a good boy. Okay, some more examples also we can say. Okay, I am a good boy I gave. You can give some other examples for the sentences. I will go to school every day. I love my parents. He is a brave boy. Yes, no? Like this. Any examples you can give. Proper sentences. Okay? Then, while doing the sentences, what you want to understand first? When you are writing the sentences, you have to keep in mind that always these points. That is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Okay, see, I have written here sentence. The sentence I have written in the capital letter. Okay, one more example. One more example I'll give. See. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. When you are writing the sentence always should begin with the capital letter. Got it? The sentence always should begins with the capital letter. I'll give some more examples here. Okay, like, which is our country? Which is our country? Yes, India. You can write, India is our country. India is our country. India is our country. So when you are writing the sentences, that I told you that you have to start, begin with the capital letter. Very important. Okay? Whenever you write the sentences, you should begin with the capital letters. Next, one more point. If a sentence that makes a statement, I told you that he is a brave boy. Yes, no? It makes a statement. Okay, that type of sentences always ends with the full stop. This is also example. India is our country. This is also a statement. Okay, if a sentence is that make a statement, always ends with the full stop. Got it? Yes. Now, the next point is a sentence that asks a question or inquiring about someone or something. That sentences always ends with the question mark. Got it? When the sentences are like asking the questions. For example, where do you live? What is your name? Where is your house? What is your father doing? In which class are you studying? So like this, some questions, something inquiring about someone. Okay, like that sentences should always end with the question mark. You know the question mark. Okay, that is example I told. What example I gave? What example I gave? You can ask me now any question. Any question you can ask me. Ask. What question you are going to ask me? Ma'am, which subject are you teaching? You'll ask, no, which subject are you teaching, ma'am? Question mark. Where is your house, ma'am? Question mark. Okay, like that. Anything, if you are asking like a question, that ends with the question mark. The sentence ends with the question mark. Okay, that type of sentences we should always end with the question mark. Understood, understood children? Now what is a sentence? Say a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Once again, a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Got it? Now we will move on to the textbook now. Okay? Open your page number 4. Open your page number 4, that is grammar textbook. Yes, you can see here, look at the following pictures and rearrange the letters form words to form words. Okay, so you have to look at the picture. Can you see this picture? Yes. These pictures you can see, no? Here they have given jumbled letters. I told you here, jumbled letters. These letters you have to arrange to make a word by seeing the pictures. We'll move on to this. Yes, children, we'll move for the textbook exercises now. So first look at the following pictures and rearrange the letters to form words. Can you see the picture here? All of you can see the picture, right? What picture you are seeing? What is this picture? Yes, you have to arrange. The first picture is, what is that? Mat. Write down M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Okay? What is the second picture? Lotus. Right. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. What is the third one? What is the third picture you are seeing? Yes, that is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, next picture. What is the next picture? Plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. The next one, see what is there? M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Next, can you arrange? Arrange and say, what is that word? Look at the picture and say. Yes, you are right. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Completed, children? Yes. We'll go for the B mean now. Go through the B main in your textbook. What is there? See, make 4 meaningful words from each group of letters given below. Okay, one is done for you. You should make 4 meaningful words in this. Okay, the first one they have done. See, they have jumbled the letters. In that letters, you have to find some words. Okay, see, T-E-A-T, T-U-B-E, tube, F-U-E-L, fuel, L-I-F-E, life. They have already done. Now we'll do, I will teach you one. Second one I'll teach you. Okay, see, what is the spelling is there, you see? C-E-A-P-O-C-K is there. C-E-A-P-O-C-K. In that you have to frame 4 words. I'll do peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. One word I frame. Next. P-A-C-K. Pack. Pack I frame. P-E-A-K. Peak. C-O-K-E. Cook. C-O-K-E. Cook. Okay, like this remaining all you should frame. Okay, you should do. In the next class, I am going to check this book. You should complete all the main, so you have to complete it. Okay, in case if you are not understood, I will teach you in the next class. Okay, next, C main. The next main, C main, that is rearrange the words to make sentences. Use capital letters and full stops. You have to rearrange these words, okay, to frame a proper sentences, that is meaningful sentences. Here they have jumbled the words and gave. So what you have to do, you have to arrange that words in a proper order so that it should frame a meaningful sentence. Okay, shall we see? First one, what they gave, great, sweet, are. What they gave, great, sweet, are. Now we have to frame in a proper order, that is G-R-A-T-E-S, great, A-R-E-R, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Got the answer? Always sentence should begin with the capital letter. Here the capital cursor has written. Okay, then the sentence should, the statement should end with the full stop. Here full stop. Very important when you are arranging the sentence. Okay, when you are rearranging the word, you have to see that you have to begin with the capital and end with the full stop. Okay? Okay, next one more I will teach you. Second one, what is there? Animal, fox, cunning, easy. Animal, fox, cunning, easy. Is this a proper sentence, children? Is this a proper sentence? No. Then how are you going to arrange? Arrange? How are you going to say animal, fox, cunning, easy? Okay, don't know? Yes, come here. Fox, F-O-X. Fox is a cunning, C-U-N-N-I-N-G, cunning animal. Fox is a cunning animal. Fox is a cunning animal. The sentence is completed. Check once and say me. Fox, capital letter. Sentence starts with the capital letter. And what we have to do? In the end, we have to keep the full stop. Okay? Fox is a cunning animal. Got it, children? Remaining everything, will you try? Try 10 are there. Try it. Okay? See, Agra is the Taj Mahal in. You should write Taj Mahal is in the Agra. Got? Fourth one, sat on umpty a wall dumpty. Sat on umpty a wall dumpty. It is not a proper sentence. You have to rearrange like Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Got it? Like this, remaining everything, you do it. Next, D main will do. Okay? Next, we'll go for the D main. Here also it's very easy. Okay, it's very nice to do. They have given the picture. Okay, fill in the blanks with the consonants to complete the word for the given. So what are consonants? This is all in the previous class. You have learned that 26 letters, that is alphabet, 26 letters are divided into two groups. That is 5 letters for the vowel and remaining 21 letters for the consonants. What are the vowels? Vowels A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Remaining 21 letters, consonants. The consonants, what is there? Using the consonant, you have to complete the blanks. Okay, by seeing the picture. See, what is this first picture? Star. S-T-A-R, star. Next picture, horse. Next, dog. Next, snake. Apple. Boat. Stable. Fox. So what do you mean by stable? What do you mean by stable? Horse. Horse is kept in the stable. Okay, the horse whom we call as the stable. Okay, next. E main. Fill in the blank with vowel to complete the word for the given picture. There in the D main, we are writing the consonants. Yes, no? See, consonants you are writing. In the E main, you have to write with the vowel. In the E main, you have to complete with the vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, you can see the picture. First picture is bat, next cat, next dog, next goat. Here rabbit, yak, clown, eagle, peacock, crow, parrot and sparrow. Okay, will you complete, children? Yes, complete. Next, we'll go for the F main. Okay, here you can see, in this also I'll show you 5. Okay, in this also I'll show you 5. You have to do yourself. Let you try to do. Okay, framing the sentences. If not possible, I'll help you out. Okay, I'll show you in the next class. Okay, got, children? Here, rearrange the jumbled group of words in a column A to match with the correct sentences in the column B. Here, like a matching the following. Match the following they have given. Is she sleeping? Here also they have given. Is she sleeping? Sorry, is she playing? She is playing. You have to rearrange the words. Okay? Okay, children. Better you try to do. If in case it's not possible you to do, in the next class, you just ask me what is the answer, ma'am. So, sure, I'll go to teach you. Got it, children? Yes, this is your homework. Do it yourself. Okay? Revise everything once. Bye. Take care, children.